shirt and told me the benefits of wearing the shirt. So when I become a distributor, the distributor came with a square of the blanket, 2 of them. So I put it on the pillow, and I started noticing immediate benefits. I no longer lose as much hair as I used to. So there's less hair on my pillow when I wake up in the morning. There's also less hair on the floor of my bathroom, which is phenomenal. The young age that I am, this gets disconcerting for me to lose hair. If I lose hair, I can only imagine how much more can I lose and where it will go. So when I started seeing the benefits that sleeping on a Netfold square would do, I got the scarf, I got the inside shirt, and I just recently received the panties because I'm also a mother. And I have lines right here, and the panties is supposed to make my lines disappear. So not only will my hair be better, my lines will go better, and that I will not have as much backache and shoulder ache because I work in the office. So I work in the office, I'm sitting and I'm typing all day and I'm looking at the monitor. And all those negative ions, I could just imagine, it'll hit my skin, it makes me drier, it makes me look older. So now I have the scarf to protect me when I'm at work, and also my back is better because I'm wearing the Netfold on top. So thank you for listening to my testimony.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.